Imagine a world where waste is not wasted, but rather transformed into valuable resources. That's the essence of the circular economy. In this video, we'll dive into this innovative concept, exploring what it is and how it works. The circular economy is all about designing out waste and pollution, keeping products and materials in use for as long as possible. It's a regenerative system that aims to minimize the use of raw materials and energy. By embracing principles like recycling, reusing, and remanufacturing, we can create a more sustainable future. Now, let's take a look at some inspiring examples of companies and products that are leading the way in the circular economy. From fashion brands using recycled materials to tech companies refurbishing electronics, these pioneers are showing that profitability and sustainability can go hand in hand. But how can we, as individuals, contribute to this transformative model? Here are some practical tips for adopting circular economy habits at home. Start by reducing your consumption, repairing items instead of replacing them, and recycling responsibly. Small changes in our daily habits can have a big impact on the environment. In conclusion, embracing the circular economy is not just a trend, it's a necessity for a sustainable future. By rethinking our approach to production and consumption, we can create a world where resources are used efficiently, waste is minimized, and the planet thrives. Let's all play our part in building a more circular and sustainable world.